limits can seem tricky, but here's an easy way to solve them using algebra. Let's find the limit as x approaches 8 for the cube root of x minus 2 all over 3x minus 24. We'll do that step by step. So to be able to do this here, we have to write the limit as x goes to 8. And I'm going to rewrite the cube root of x minus 2. And here I'm going to factor out the 3. And the reason I factor out the 3 is to get the 8 here, because now the 8 is a perfect cube. And what I'm trying to get to is the difference of cubes, because a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. Now we can manipulate this into the limit as x goes to 8. Sorry, I don't know why I wrote infinity there, but that's supposed to be 8. And now what we're going to do, we're going to manipulate this equation on the bottom. So we have the 3, and then I'm just going to put a square bracket here. This x here, I could write it as the cube root of x. And that's what we do in math sometimes. You know, when we manipulate things, we make them look different, but they are the same. Make them look different, but they are the same. So the cube root of x cubed is the same as x minus 8. Okay. And to be able to factor the bottom now, limit as x goes to 8, see, this is the a cubed and this is the b cubed in here when you compare them to this. So if we want to find out what a is, a here would be just the cube root of x, because what we did to find out a, we cube rooted this. Cube root of a gave me a. So the cube root of x cubed is just cube root of x. And then b, the cube root of 8 is 2. And therefore now we could write the cube root of x minus 2 all over 3. And now this factors into, according to this a, which is the cube root of x, minus the cube root minus b, which is 2. You know, so that's the a and the b. And then you square the a, so squaring that is just going to give you cube root of x squared plus, then you multiply a and b, and that's just going to give you 2, the cube root of x, plus b squared, and b squared is going to be 4. Now, when we get that established, now I have the cube root of x minus 2 here and the cube root of x minus 2 here, they cancel out. And I'm going to have 1 over. Last students say here, like the ones who did derivatives already, to use the L'Hopital rule, because that's another way. But you guys, you haven't done derivatives and you haven't done L'Hopital rule. You're just doing limits right now. And that's the only way you could do it, since you don't know the L'Hopital rule, okay? So now you could start putting the 8 into the x's there. So you'll have 1 over the 3 times the cube root of 8 squared plus 2, the cube root of 8 plus 4, which gives me 1 over 3. The cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4, so that's going to be 4. And here the cube root of 8 is 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 4 that's still there. This becomes 1 over 3, and 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. And it's going to be 1 over 3 times 12, which is 1 over 36. And that is your answer. And that's it. Using algebra, we found the limit without needing derivatives. Try this trick on other problems to speed up your calculus skills. Like and subscribe for more math hacks. See you next time.